This is November 3, Victor Echo Mike with your month ending November 2021 Parks on the Air update. Be sure to visit parksontheair.com for information about the program and pota.app for spotting, park information, leaderboards, and more. In Parks on the Air news, as the seasons start to change, we at POTA would like to remind you of two upcoming winter events. The first is the annual New Beginnings New Year certificate. To earn one of these certificates, simply make at least one contact as a POTA activator or hunter in the first week of 2022. We can't think of a better way to ring in the new year than by doing so with Parks on the Air. Also landing in January is our next seasonal Support Your Parks event. The first seasonal event of 2022 is on January 15th and 16th, which gives you a great opportunity to do some wintertime POTA. For those of you in the north, just remember to dress warm, fire up your portable heaters if you're lucky enough to have them, and stay safe. Lastly, be sure to tune in to your favorite ham radio media outlets in early January, as next month's POTA update will include not only the December release, but the year-end summary for 2021 as well. We look forward to having you join us as we celebrate a spectacular year of Parks on the Air. And now for our monthly stats update. POTA had plenty to give thanks for in November. During the month, there were over 300,000 contacts made by more than 1,300 activators. These operators put just over 3,100 parks on the air from 23 different DX entities. The top activators for the month were K4NYM with 4,440 QSOs and NG5E who activated 111 different parks. The top hunter for the month was K9ICP with 1,063 QSOs while hunting 770 different parks. In our POTA DX corner, England was our Region 1 leader with just under 1,000 QSOs. Canada was our Region 2 leader with approximately 14,500 QSOs, and Japan was our Region 3 leader with just over 4,500 QSOs. The top DX activator for the month was VE7NB with 1,902 QSOs from 46 different parks, and outside of North America, the top activator was JJ1DQR with 954 QSOs from 18 different parks. For November's bonus feature, we'd like to quickly touch on the community resources that are available to participants in the Parks on the Air program. As Parks on the Air has grown, we've tried to provide some resources to help newer members of the POTA community find their way. The best place to start is to head to pota.app, hit the menu button, and check out both the frequently asked questions and the rules and conduct. After you've done that, also head to the Community Resources section. Here you'll find both an activator and a hunter introductory course prepared by Matt, N3NWV. These are great videos that give a lot of awesome details for activators and hunters in the POTA program. Also in this Community Resources section, you'll find both POTA activator and hunter PDF guides. These are very detailed and give a lot of excellent information about activating and hunting in POTA, and they're excellent resources to keep with you. Last but not least, we'd like to call your attention to the POTA Slack and Facebook groups, where you can chat with other members of the community, ask questions, swap tips and stories, or even just share some pictures of your activations. The Slack and Facebook groups are also the best places to get in touch with the admins and developers in the POTA program, so be sure to check them out if you'd like to chat with any of us that support POTA. This concludes our November 2021 Parks on the Air update. As always, the team at Parks on the Air wishes you safe activations and happy hunting. 73.